to another video. Today I'm with Daniel.
What's up?
And we've got Nerf guns.
Whoop whoop.
Can you guess what we're gonna do?
Yep, Nerf war.
Yep. So I've got the Rampage with a both of the two of the modular scopes, 35 drum and a retaliator stock. And you've got a long shot sight, a modulus barrel, and a 35 drum as well. No, 25 drums. 25 drums, sorry. So yeah, let's go over on airport.
Alright, you stand over there, I'm gonna stand over here and shoot your face off.
Okay, we're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, I'm not ready. Alright? Let's just say I'm not ready. Retaliation! Oh, got ya! Ow! Ooh. Wait, stop.